Hi guys, my name is Eddie and beside me is Boiler Lab FoodRoller. The biggest one is the same size like Boiler Lab Expert machine, and FoodRoller is usable for human food industry. So all materials is made for food grade. And today I wanted to make a test of few doughs. We got it from our customers, and here we have, because this was in the fridge, it's so hard now. We'll use microwave to make it softer, and we'll try to roll it to some balls. So here we have dates. Take a look at this. It's just dates. Yeah, you see? Here is dates with some small seeds. There is a lot of bigger particles, small particles, bigger particles. Here is something like energy balls. Or I don't know, super food or something, how it's called, I don't know. And there is another one, also something like energy balls, or all these four doses was sent by our customers, and we time to time was trying to test on one on another machine. Today I will try to make test on this Boiler Lab Expert machine. I now just uploaded the dough. This dough from dates, and just one try we did, and we got balls like that. You see, it's like eggs. It is because the nozzle was too big, so we got this one. And now we made a little bit smaller nozzle, and I will explain how to catch the correct size, speed of the rolls. So first of all, we'll make the sausage. I'm using this dough gun, but it doesn't matter, you can use another one. You can use another one, bigger one, or the best for that machine is extruder. But for test, for me, it's good that. Okay, so turn on the motors. What doing I'm doing the front motor straight on 12 o'clock. Okay, speed regulation. I did this on 12 o'clock, that one, second one on maximum. Now we're just putting in the sausage and it turns, you see. And now I just making smaller speed on the second roll till we'll be rolling the sausage. Take a look. I taken smaller speed in here, quicker, yeah, like this. Smaller, and start it. Yeah, it's too big piece on there. Okay, doesn't matter that one. Let's check these ones. Yeah, it looks better. If we will take a look at which was before. And now we can have this one, but anyway it's too big. You can see it. It looks better, but it's still too big. Okay, so we need smaller nozzle. So we just made a little bit smaller sausage again. And we'll turn on the motors. Speed I regulate the last time, but if you wanna, you can start from both of regulators on 12 o'clock, for example, on the top. You can start from there if you like. Okay, let's test with a little bit smaller sausage. Okay. Okay, what we got? We got not too bad balls. It looks not too bad. If a little bit longer to turn. Actually, the dough becomes harder a little bit, but it's rollable. So, just will show the difference between first batch, second batch, and third one. Yeah, it was bigger nozzle, little bit smaller nozzle, and good nozzle. Yay! Okay, let's try now another dough after 2 minutes. Just took out from microwave second dough, and it is also with dates, but some seeds inside, and is dough less sticky than the first one. This is, you see, it's little bit different than first one. Okay, I will try to load up the dough gun and we'll try to do some balls. So just made the sausages, small sausages from this dough, and you can see it's not enough sticky. It looks like, you see, it's not holding each other or all particles inside. I don't know how it will be to roll it. Let's try, but consistency, I don't like this consistency. It's need to be modified a little bit. But anyway, let's try. And we still got nice balls. Take a look, this one, a little bit too small nozzle, no sausage, I mean diameter, and it's rollable. I can't believe. Unbelievable. The sausage looks like, I don't know, it's not holding to each other parts, you see. It's just demolition something, but it's rollable. Of course it's difficult, but it's rollable. We got balls. Good. So now, what we have? We have tried 2 dough and we have 2 success. Let's try next one. So next dough is of course from microwave, and it's more sticky than before. I like that. And you see it's also dates in here, some seeds and bigger particles, so it's something like energy balls or superfood. I don't know how it's calling correct, but maybe chocolate is inside. So let's try. So we have just made the sausages, and there you can see how it looks like. Yeah, it's a lot of seeds inside, smaller particles, bigger particles. Okay, let's check how it will be rollable. Okay. Looks perfect. Looks perfect. It's very quick and balls, oops, it's very, very nice. You see, it's because it's sticky. You see, it sticks ball to ball. So, of course, it's rollable, very nice. Take a look one more time. And this is stuff for energy balls. The last sausage. Perfect. Perfect. That stuff is perfect. That stuff is perfect. Yeah. Nice. Nice. So from three types of dough, we have 3 success. Good. So we have the last dough, just from microwave again. It's soft enough. Consistency looks good. It's sticky. And also it is like energy balls or superfood or something like that. So let's try. So we have sausages again from it is last dough. You see a lot of bigger, smaller, and other particles inside. Probably it's nuts or something like that, seeds, everything what you like. Probably very tasty because smell very nice. Okay, let's try to roll it. Okay. Looks good. Okay, more. Yeah. Yay! Okay, so what we got? We got balls. Looks like we got balls, but it looks like for this dough is little bit too small nozzle. Yeah, it becomes like dumbbells, and looks like little bit too small nozzle. So anyway, just forgot to say, if to use smaller nozzle, you can make dumbbells, or if you will stop the back roll, you can make pillows. So it's 2 more options. And about diameters, for example, if you wanted to get about, for example, 27 millimeters of diameter of the ball, probably you will be need about 28 millimeter machine. And the same if you want to get, for example, 24 millimeters balls, exactly, you will need little bit bigger than 24 millimeters machine, probably maybe 25. Yeah, it's for example, if 24, if machine 24, you will get nearly 24 balls. But if you want to get exactly 24 balls, you need little bit bigger machine, probably 25. That's it. That's it. So all for this dough was rolling. I can show all of them. It's here or here. For example, I will put everything here. Yeah, please do here. Yeah. 4 types of energy balls, date balls, everything is rolling. So I think this machine can roll everything if dough is correct consistency. So I hope this whole video was good information for you. Thank you.